Assalamu alaikum viewers. We are going to present another Power BI basic report tutorial, and what task will be performed in this tutorial. First, I will explain it to you. First task is to open an existing Power BI report saved in a folder. This is a Power BI report in a folder. We have to open it. We double click it and it will get open. As it will open, it will show an image in the canvas pane, and it will be having a table. We'll load this table and then display the fields of the table in the canvas pane. This will be the second activity like this. First will be this activity. We open an existing Power BI report. Second will be this activity. As we open a Power BI report, it will have a table. We select the table, and when the table appear in the field pane, we select all its field to bring it into the canvas pane. And third activity will be to upload an image and create a matrix having a title, top websites by type and continent, and it will be having these fields, types and continents, type and continent. This will be the third activity, and fourth activity will be this one. We will create a matrix that will be having a title, top websites by location, and it will be having two fields with the name of continent and count of sites. So this is overall activity that we are going to perform in this tutorial. So let's start. We have to open a Power BI report. Simply, we double click the saved Power BI report in the folder, and it will get open. You see the report opened, having an image it here. And a table with the name of top sites. We expand this table. Now we create a table from visualization pane and bring all the fields of the table by selecting them. So this is the second task that we perform of the tutorial. So now we open a new Power BI report for the third activity. What we are going to perform in this activity, this is the activity that we are going to perform. We have to upload an image, and we have to create a matrix with these two fields in the title, top websites by type and continent. Very simple. We upload an Excel workbook by the name of top websites. it is getting loaded. When it will get loaded, we select the top sites, and now we load it, clicking load. Soon it will get loaded and you will see top sites table at here in the field pane. All this is amazing, interesting, and easy. We loaded the table, but before creating a matrix and bringing it into the visualization pane, we perform another task. We upload an image. For uploading an image, we click on insert, and then we click on image, and we upload this image. Now we have to create a matrix. First we expand this table, and then we create a matrix. Bring the matrix at here, and look, only two fields, type and continent, we will have to display. First we bring type under the rows, and then we bring continent under the column, and we bring ranking under the values. And now we have to insert on this format your visual, and we see for the column headers row, headers column row. We click on visuals. We click it here, and nothing can be seen it here. Now we click it here. We go to the journal and we turn on the title, and we expand the title. We type this text: top websites by type and continent. This is the title. Heading level 2, and we increase its font to 20. What color we should select? We should select this color. And what should be the text color? Suppose we make it something like this one. And another thing, we make it in center. And this is the task that you are supposed to perform. This was the third task. So now we are going to close this report. We don't save it. And now we have to perform this fourth task. Minimize it. For this, we open a new Power BI report. For creating the new Power BI report, we have to upload the top website workbook of Excel. It's contained a table, so we selected the table and we load the table. Table is getting loaded, and when it will get loaded, you will see it here in the field pane. It got loaded and we expand it. Now what we are going to do, we have to create a matrix that will be having this title top websites by location, and two column it will be having with the name of continent and count of site. So we create a matrix. We bring continent, we select continent that came it here, and then we select principal countries. If we select principal countries like this, we bring the principal countries under the rows. Now the continent will be containing its countries, and these can be expanded and contracted like this. And now we have to what is the other field? Count of site. So we bring the site column it here. And after bringing it here, we rename it for this visual, and we type of site. Instead of site, we write type of site. And another thing which we will have to do, not this one. we select all these fields. Now, what we will have to do, we have to make some changes to the values, and we increase the font to 20. And here you can see the count of sites in different continents and in different countries. Maybe this visualization is not very clear to you, so I change the text color to this. Still not very clear, so I change it to this one. I change the font style and keep it Black Arial. Now its visibility has improved. And another thing which still we have to do is we have to put the title. We turn on the title. We expand the title. We write exactly the text which is it here. What is this? Top websites by location. So we write it here. Type of sites by location. Now we make it heading 2. We increase the font style to 25, and we change the text color to this one, and we bring it to the center. We apply background color this one. So this was our requirement, what we had to do. We did it. Hopefully you will enjoy it, and see you in the next tutorial. Allah Hafiz.